This is the toughest part of the cannonball right here. But hurry up and wait for the first day.
I was so nervous. I have no idea why, but we're relaxed now. Go time.
I can't wait to get out into the countryside.
This is my third cannonball, and they're all fun. And seeing America from the back roads is the way what we do this for, and the excitement, you know. And then what we're seeing right here with all the bikes and the people. So anyway, it's fun.
Excited to make it across the United States. A lot of great people. Everyone I've met on the Cannonball are really great, and I think the friends that I meet along the way and the relationships we make, that's what this is all about.
Well, like everyone else, we'll probably use it another 3 months or 3 weeks. But we're close to ready. We think we're going to be ready.
Good morning. We ready?
How am I feeling? Scared out of my mind.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Hello, how are you? Are you ready?
Am I ready?
Yes.
I'm ready for anything. Except today.
This is the toughest part to get right here. Now the journey begins. We have a lot of hours in the build, a lot of blood, sweat, tears, money, and everything like that, but it's worth it. Now it's one of a kind.
Ready to go. Yeah. How did you guess? Been up since 2:30.
Oh my God.
I'm still not.